Williams class. It was so lovely to see all of you for our Science Live. Um, it's made me really happy to know that most of you have understood what a branching database is and why we have them in our lives today. A lot of you were really keen to share your ideas, and what really impressed me is I showed you an example of a database with mini beasts, but a couple of you challenged yourselves by creating a database about sea creatures or about more living things that live underground and in different habitats. So all in all, really, really good job. I am excited to see them on Tapestry. Just remember a couple of presentation points. One of you color coded your branching database. So the answers were written in a different color to the questions. That's a really, really nice way to set out your work, just because it helps your answers to stand out and it helps the person following the database see that, oh, I've reached my answer. I now know what my living thing is called. That was a really good presentational point that I thought I would share with the rest of you to maybe do for your own databases. And just remembering the key word is branching database. Some of you were a bit unsure as to what we call the sort of sorting out of the living things. So it is called the branching database. And one of you mentioned habitats in your branching databases. So do they live underground? That was a really, really interesting point that I thought I would again share with you all in this video, just to say that when you are thinking of questions to ask, you can ask questions to do with the living thing's appearance and characteristics. So do they eat leaves, or do they fly? That's really, really good to include. And another great sort of piece of information that you could ask in your branching database is where they live. Do they live in the sea? Do they live underground? Do they live on trees? That's a really good way to make your branching databases that much more interesting. So that's fantastic. I think we've left that live session feeling confident that we know how to sort our animals out, which is really, really good. So I am going to leave you with this video just to have a bit of a reminder about what to include in our branching databases if you are still a little bit unsure. If you have any questions, post them on Tapestry, email me, and I will do my best to help you. But very well done on your science work today. Fantastic job. Fantastic to see everybody so engaged. Keep it up, Williams class. I'll see you very soon. Bye.